Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Erba Lipase Eco Kit. So as you can see, this is the top view and this is the front view of the kit. And you can see, let me show you the sides. So guys, over here you can see this is the Erba Lipase Eco Kit from Erba Technology. You can see it is an advanced homogeneous myceli technology, and you can see the reference number here 121369. You can see the pack size also 1 into 20 ml and 1 into 5 ml. So the kit contains lipase reagent 1 and lipase reagent 2. The lipase reagent 1 is 1 into 20 ml and the lipase reagent 2 is 1 into 5 ml. It is also has a lipase standard of 0.3 units per ml of 1 into 3 ml volume. You can see it has to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and that's the reason why I placed it in a nice gel pack for maintaining the temperature. And then as you can see here, it is a C certified IVD product, and you can see the manufacturing address here. So let me show you the front side. This is the front side. You can see it is well packed, and this is the top side of the kit. This is the other side. You can see this is the manufacturing address. It is manufactured here in India. You can see also the ISO certification with all the other details. So guys, to sum this up, this is the Erba Mannheim Lipase Eco Kit. You can see the reference number here 121369. It contains an normal shelf life of 1 year. It's a C certified IVD product. It has to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and the manufacturing address is over here at the bottom. So thank you.